In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit invoice template in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to adjust the look of your invoices, refine the information customers see, and customize the emails that go out with them, all using built-in tools in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to the settings by clicking the small gear icon in the upper right. From there, choose Custom Form Styles. This is where all your sales form templates live. To create a fresh, tailored look, select New Style, and then pick Invoice. QuickBooks will open a customization window so you can design exactly how your invoice appears. Start on the Design tab. Here, look for the option called Splash on some color. This controls the accent color for elements like headers and highlights. Choose a color that matches your brand for a polished, consistent feel. A quick tip: prioritize readability. High contrast combinations, like dark text on a light background, help your customers read totals and due dates at a glance. As you select a color, watch the live preview so you can see how it looks on the actual invoice layout. Next, switch to the Content tab. This is where you manage what information shows on the invoice itself. Add your business address and website so customers know exactly how to reach you and where to find more information. Accurate contact details that will reduce back and forth and help payments arrive on time. As you make changes, use the preview to confirm everything is clear and professional. Keep formatting consistent so your invoice feels trustworthy and on brand. Now, move to the Emails tab. This controls the email your customer receives with the invoice attached. Edit the subject line to make it unmistakably clear what the email contains. Something straightforward works best, like an invoice reference and your company name. Then edit the message to customer. Keep it friendly and concise, and consider including a brief thank you and a reminder of any key payment details or timelines. The goal is to give customers exactly what they need to act without hunting for information. When everything looks right, click Done to save your template. Your customized invoice style is now ready to use. Taking the moment to align the color, content, and email message not only makes your brand look more professional, it also helps customers understand and pay your invoices faster. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined invoicing in QuickBooks Online.